All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Vechain family. Shout out to you guys. Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys. Hope the year of 2025, brings you a lot of happiness, success, and of course, good health. Thank you for all your support over the years. I hope, the year of 2025 is great for everyone. But looking at the price of Vechain right now, it's up 1% right now, of course, over the last 24 hours. If you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, Vechain is up 12.4%, which of course is amazing to see. But we're going to analyze the charts to really understand what's happening with the price of Vechain right now, and of course what we could be expecting going into a brand new week. If you want to see more of these Vechain updates, do smash that like button down below to let me know you want to see more of these updates. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. As far as the price is concerned, 5.1 cents, up 1% in USD, up 0.4% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap at about 4.15 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 71.7 million. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So we're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, 57.07%. So, it's still quite low. Yes, it has seen a little bit of a bounce, of course, because Bitcoin has reclaimed back above $99,000. And, it goes unsaid that, you're going to see that dominance really reacting. And we have seen that happening, but nothing crazy. So, as far as altcoin season is concerned, altcoin season is still intact. And we're still in an altcoin season, believe it or not. I know it's really hard for a lot of people to believe, but we are definitely in the beginning phase of an altcoin season. We saw an altcoin season November, early December, and I think we're about to see that next leg up really starting. Bitcoin looking amazing right now, $99,200. Obviously, trying to, break out of this key resistance. If it's able to do that, I think, we could be seeing $100,000 Bitcoin, Monday, of course. And with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with Vechain. A lot of things happening, a lot of obviously frustration within the community. I've been seeing the comments, late December, I kind of took it slow on the YouTube videos because, sometimes you just want to kind of reset before, the new year, and we're going to be grinding the whole year. It's time to lock in. But yeah, a lot happened. And, if you've been following the market analysis updates, I still have kept, everyone covered as to what's happening. You have seen major volatility for the crypto markets. And of course, this is going to have an impact on Vechain. It's not an exception. So, we had a major move at the beginning of December, reaching 8 cents. Yes, guys, 8 cents for the first time since last cycle. And since then, we broke below that major key resistance. Obviously, what we were talking about, but we broke below it, and obviously it turned back into resistance. So as you can see, if you want to put this into perspective, from that yearly high from last year, you did see Vechain drop 52.28%. It's part of the game, guys. Welcome to the crypto markets, especially to the newcomers. These massive pullbacks are very normal, believe it or not. But this is why I emphasize on my channel day in, day out, always do your due diligence, research, and invest what you can afford to lose. Because once you have done that, that's going to give you a peace of mind, guys. It's going to give you peace. It's not going to stress you out. Because let me tell you, I was on the other side when I originally started into the market. I was being dumb. I was obviously investing too much that I could not afford to lose, even though the market valuation back then, was much lower, and I did end up, winning, but it was too much risk that I took, because let me tell you, I was losing sleep. I was continuing to, obviously look at the screens, and trust me, it's not worth it. Once you realize that, you could really do well in this market. Always invest where you can afford to lose, and once you have done that, of course, these swings pretty much become a normal thing in crypto markets. Me as a crypto OG, which I consider myself now, of course, I'm not anyone that's been here since 2011, 2012, 2013, even though I knew what Bitcoin was at that specific moment. But I entered the space in 2016. And, these types of moves have become completely immune to. So over time, people kind of get used to it. But you're looking at the price, obviously, trying to break out of this key resistance. Obviously, right now, we are seeing a little bit of low volume from retail, but I do believe you are going to see this key resistance breaking out. But we haven't really come, to retesting that. And that's something I want you guys to realize. You want to see this key resistance at that 5.5 cents really breaking out. Very, very important. It's Pretty much simple as that. If it's able to do that, that's a major confirmation that, price of Vechain is starting to head back towards, the December, highs that, we did see early, late last year. But so far, so good. Really liking what I'm seeing as far as consolidation is concerned, and especially if you look at it from this perspective, from December 20th, from that 3.8 cents, if you picked it up, you did see Vechain go up about 38%. So a lot of people will forget that, but on this channel, we're not going to be forgetting that. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. Stay away from all these spam comments in the section, guys. Just ignore and never send your crypto to anyone. I will never call any one of you guys on WhatsApp to give me any of your crypto. Never ever. I only make these updates, and only way to communicate with me is through email. That's it. That's the only way. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you later. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.